like your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I
have been enjoying myself with these salts, okay? This is my bath salt that I've been enjoying and having so much fun. Just thought about sharing with y'all because how mean of me to keep this goodness away from y'all. So if you are interested and want to learn how to make your own salts, your own luxury bath salts, then please keep on watching, okay? Guys, I just closed my eyes because the smell though. Oh. Guys, I can't wait. Let me just share this with y'all and stop being silly. Okay? So in here I have 2 cups of Epsom salt and I have 1 cup of pink Himalayan salt. I'm just gonna mix it like so. And I'm loving the color. Up next, I'm gonna be using half cup of baking soda. This much. Let's mix. So now, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. Now guys, the reason why I just added some Castile soap in my salt is because the oil normally floats on top. Because I don't want that, so I use the Castile soap to dilute the oil. Now, in here, I do have some salt crystals. It's like a mix quartz salt. Beautiful, right? So I'm gonna be using a cup of this. I'm gonna be using a cup first and trying it in to see if I like it. Guys, can you see how beautiful this look? Nice, right? So lovely. Okay, put this to the side and keep going, right? Like, I'm gonna be using some apricot oil, some extra virgin olive oil, so now I'm gonna use my hand to like combine all of them, okay? This is so satisfying. You can stop right here. Maybe just put your essential oils and stop right here. You will still have some great time, a fantastic time with this. Well, you guys already know me. I like to complicate things. Oh, guys, oh, I wish you guys were here. Guys, I'm enjoying life, okay? Life is in my favor right now. Okay. So what's next? I think I still want to put like a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. It has different color. That's why I just want to incorporate a little bit of it in here, like so. Can you see the difference? Like, yes. Okay. Now, let me give this a little bit of mix. The next product I'll be adding in here will be some orange essential oil. I'm going to be adding 10 drops. And I will be adding some peppermint essential oil as well, okay? 10 drops. Some tea tree oil. You guys know I am in love with tea tree oil. Like I use it for basically all of my product. For some reason, I don't know why. So I'm just adding like 20 drops. I'm gonna be using my hand and just mashing it up, like mixing it properly, like the way it should. There will be some lemon to break them up nicely in here, like so. I know it's kind of chunky, but trust the process. You will definitely enjoy using this. Now the next item that I'll be adding in here, some dry peppermint leaves. Two, I'm gonna be adding some lavender buds. Some jasmine buds. So I'm gonna be adding some chamomile buds. Some rose petals. Guys, don't they look gorgeous? Beautiful, right? I'm gonna put this salt on my baking sheet, my silicone baking sheet, like so, just to dry up a little bit from the oils and stuff that was put in here. So guys, let's put this bad boy in the oven for 15 minutes and we will be right back. So my salt is already dry. I'm just waiting for it to cool down. I got these beautiful jars from the Dollar Tree. You guys, can you like stop sleeping on the Dollar Tree though? It has a nice beautiful rose gold lid, which I'm dying for and I really appreciate. So this is how it's looking from the inside. Pretty, I think it should be like 10 ounces. Salt, it is pretty dry, like it's nice and crispy and all of that good stuff. This salt is really rich. Go like so. Our finished product. Can you see how beautiful these flower buds look over here? I don't know what to say. This is so nice. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.
your little bubble, but you gotta wake up